I'm Arman present here for your online classes of class 6 chapter 10. And now we are going to discuss about area. In your previous class I told you the formula of area of rectangle or area of square. Now we will solve some examples and exercises question related to area. So first question we have here, the area of rectangle filled 50 meter long is the area of rectangle. Find the area of rectangular field whose length is 50 meter and breadth is equal to 40 meter. So here we have rectangular field where length is 60, length is equal to 50 meter and breadth is equal to 40 meter. So simply we have to apply the formula area equal to, first write here length is equal to 50 meter, then breadth is equal to 40 meter. So area is equal to length into breadth means 50 meter into 40 meter equal to 5 4s are 20 and 2 more 0. 2000 meter square is area of this rectangle. If we have an area and length, then how we can find the width? I have a rectangle whose area is 250 meters square. Already area is given and length of this rectangle is equal to 50 meter. You have to find out the breadth. So right here area is equal to 250 meters square, length is equal to 50 meter. So breadth is equal to area upon length, 250 meter square upon 50 meter equal to 5 meter is the breadth of this rectangle. Similarly you can find also length. If you have an area and breadth is given, then you have to find out the length equal to area upon breadth. Next we are going to solve a different type of question related to area. The question is here, a drawing room is a 5 meter 40 centimeter long and 4 meter 10 centimeter wide. How much carpet is required to cover the drawing room? And what will be the cost of carpet if 1 square meter of carpet cost 325 rupees? So first of all, see here, we have given length of room and breadth of room. The length of room is given 5 meter 40 centimeter is equal to 5.4 meter and breadth is given here 4 meter 10 centimeter, 4.1 meter. So first of all find area of room is equal to length triple breadth, and 5.4 meter to 4.1 meter is equal to 22.14 meter square. This is the area of the room and we have to cover this room by a carpet. Then what will be the cost of the carpet if 1 square meter of carpet costs rupees 325, then the area of room is equal to same as the area of carpet. So area of carpet cover this room is equal to also 22.14 meter square. So the cost of carpet, whose rate is 325 rupees per meter square, is multiplied by 22.14 meter square. So when we multiply from this, so this is the cost of the carpet to cover this drawing room. The next question from your exercise, question number 10. How many tiles whose length and breadth are 12 cm and 5 cm respectively will be needed to fit in a rectangular region whose length and breadth are 200 cm and 144 cm? You can see here, as given, length of region is equal to 200 cm and breadth of region is given 144 cm. So area of this region is 200 cm into 144 cm is equal to 28,800 centimeter square. And here is also given the dimension of the tiles. Length of the tile is equal to 12 centimeter and breadth of the tile is equal to 5 centimeter. So area of the tile, so length into breadth is equal to 60 centimeter square. Now we have to find out how many tiles will be needed to cover this. Then we know that we have to compare area of region to compare area of tile. So number of tiles, required number of tiles is equal to area of region divide area of one tile is equal to 28,800 centimeter square upon 60 centimeter square. So 10 to 10, 6 4s are 24, 6 8s are 48, and 480 tiles will be needed to cover this region.